Finally, we have a full-size Trixie. It has had a little bit of a life. We've got a broken horn, paint chipping everywhere. So I'm just going to walk you through what we're doing. So first things first, we're just going to glue the horn back in place. A little trick here, stand her in a cup or something like that, just so it doesn't allow the horn to sag. They are slightly offset, so they don't sit level even when they were never broken. So we're just going to leave that to dry and then move on to the next stage. Now a good tip, use a good epoxy glue rather than a super glue. Super glue goes brittle, and obviously from a play toy, you don't want anything being brittle and able to sort of snap off. Being an epoxy is quite good because it will bend and flex with the toy. Sort of paint transfer from something else. It comes off very easily with something like a sponge eraser. These are sold by Flash here in the UK, but pretty much everyone does their own restore alternative, so you can find quite a few poppies out there. They all work just as well. I haven't found a bad one to date. You can buy some own branded ones that work just as well. Now, these are mildly abrasive, so you have to be a little careful. We've been using this Humbrol gloss enamel. Now it's colour code number 41 and it does work very well with this particular doll. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please take the time to like and subscribe.